literally, I got this drink from the composer down the street. Biggest mistake ever. Definitely a cup of diabetes. I got a brown sugar latte, 3 pumps, with vanilla syrup, whipping cream, milk. Sound like an American. Took 1 sip. Ooh! The shot of the liquor up my nose. Next time I'm just gonna get 1 pump. Next time, actually, probably just get a different type of drink, but who cares? Guess what is today? Perfume making. Hooray! Perfume making. What I do today? Have Lulu and Mary. Lulu's gonna change. Don't even want to show her room, but that's it. And time is. Hope for my phone. Oh, you can see it. 1:30. And the thing is an hour, and we're still here. And the journey is an hour, so. We finally gone to the photo thing. Well, we have to put the drops onto these and smell it, and then we choose from, write them down like A, B, C, all this stuff. Such a beautiful place. It's deep.
Touchy, did you do fun?
No, I'm doing fun.
Say hi, everyone.
Hey.
Hi, guys.
Okay. Vanilla. Oh, coffee. You smell the coffee when you open your nose. Yeah.
Now you can do by yourself.
I don't want to ruin my perfume.
Just one.
Yeah.
So I like that.
I want to smell that. I mean, the cherry blossom.
Okay. Check, like, you got to smell the scent, and then put obviously the title of the scent, and then what we think it reminds of us. Everybody has their things, but okay. 17 different flavors. No flavors,
Oh my
scents.
love, why does she laugh like that?
Mary's still doing her scent. Mary, time is ticking, time is up. We don't have time for that. Later, finish your scent, but she has some regrets. You happy with your scent?
I think so.
Okay, that's
Maybe
good.
I should have added more drops.
I think we stick to it. Yeah. Okay, so here's listen this GN perfume. This is. I don't know what this is. We hope you have a nice smell day with GN perfume. I'm gonna give it a package. See? What? GN perfume. Beautiful. What would you rate the perfume making, guys?
9 out of 10. So
You?
fun.
Yeah?
9 or
Man, what would you rate it?
11.
Oh, it was so good. 10 out of 10. So calm. And literally when you open the door, oof, the gushes of scents in your nose. Almost taste it. That's what this escalator. Absolutely so tiny for no reason. Heads up. Let's see what she's looking at her phone. Look. Oh, where are we going? To play in the shop? Okay. Mary. Guys, we're gonna try and find a plus size store for jeans because obviously everybody here is sticks. Maybe I shouldn't say that, but everybody here is a bit thin on the thin side, and we're a bit of a curvy side. So, oof, I felt. Sorry. Having no clue where we are. Oh wow, look at the street. So nice. Someone's beeping, but I don't know who they're beeping at. It can't be me. These complexes. Okay, we just got to Wingstop. Let me show you. Look. Maybe we'll say corn. Fumpy. Oh, blue cheese. Fuck you. Guys, no more garlic chicken today. Me and Mary got a meal between Lala and Lulu. Oh my god. Wings, what wings you cook it again? Wingstop incomplete. How would you rate your...
Firstly, Touchy burped in my face. Secondly, this food, thank God that I can eat, but was the worst thing I ever ate in my life. 3 out of 10.
Oh, you? Oh, she's even burping. Oh no.
Not good. I didn't even finish. It was not.
Yeah, I barely finished mine. That's why I split with Mary. I just, Mary's able to go order more. Anyways, Wingstop. This one, Oh well.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. What the hell? Today we went to my favorite shop in the whole wide world. Okay, we've got Lala right here, we've got Tucci, and we've got Jean right here. So I'll show you around. So we're in Wingstop. The people that are over there. See? Let me show you. Oh, the camera. Now look at it. Click. All of that. Anyways, how do I go back? The camera.
Mary just took my camera to go on the show. Blah blah blah. Ding ding. She's over here fighting for a knife and her nose is running because of the spice. Purples. Hello. Wow. Where's Mary? No, both of Mary. I'm definitely gonna cover someone's face now, and it's gonna be me. Oh.
Oh, I like.
No, it's fine.
This was nice. Mary, you pick.
He's the one to bite my finger.
Only. Ow. We just did a normal photo shoot and a high angle photo shoot. So beautiful. I'll show you the videos of each one of ours together at the end. So we're going to this arcade, as you can see. Can you see? Before we get head out my camera, there. We're going to this arcade. Got some some heads. Lulu, stop. So yeah, run around on how the arcade looks like. 3, 2, 1, go. So we have all of these. Wow. Pretty. There's some tiny games. Well, I'm gonna play one of these games 100%. So they have air hockey. They have some some games over here. Oh, they have a photo booth. I don't have to cut it short because the guy said I couldn't record inside the arcade. But in the arcade, we all won some. Okay, I won some prizes. Lala won. Lila won. Mary, she's almost there, but she didn't win any quite yet. It's okay, guys. Look, they have a Dublin bar. I think she's on crack, 100%. So the League, Eugene's. Guys, just got to the cat cafe. Lulu's having the time of her life. Oh my god. The tiny kitty. We have all the cats. Look at the cat. Meow, meow. Tiny cat. This one. That was like straight out of the movies. Ooh, wow. Oops. It's a bit scary, like. This one's face is a swamp. Good face. Kitty cat, don't run away. This is so beautiful. How are you? They're just trying to play with the cats. Cats don't want to play with it. I think they're kind of scared of her, like, a little bit. That cat. It's actually an absolutely beautiful place. Everybody's playing with cats. He's playing with the string of my trousers. Aww. It's so cute.
Can you give me the green toilet?
Yeah.
Behind you.
We're gonna feed the cats. Then I can record it. I'll probably here. You'll probably see all this. So we have how much of the food? We have this cat food. Yeah. There you have this. You have a one.
I got this one for my sleeping one.
Gonna pour it inside. Hey. That's nice. Sorry, I haven't. BFF. Mmm.
Look at it staring from the cat phone.
Yummy. Isn't that right, BFF? What would you rate the cat cafe?
10 out of 10, but screw the guy.
Yeah, like most of the cats had infections.
Yeah, those some of the cats.
One cat's ear was buzzing. There was something in it.
And all their eyes had things in them.
Wait, my olive young bag, my perfume bag.